Hi, my name is Elina and you're watching Marvelous Designer Tool by Tool tutorial part 21. So let's see what we are going to learn today. Today I'm going to talk about piping. Piping is a tool that you can find it on 3D window and it's not in 2D pattern window. It doesn't have also any shortcut. And if you want to know what piping is, select this thick texture, and then you can see that it is a folded fabric that covers your neckline, that covers your segments. So let's see where we can use it. Now you see my top, that for the edges I used another piece of fabric for making it cleaner. The method that I used right now is this one, that I select the line, then offset as internal line, cut and sew, then lay clone over, then I choose both of them and assign it to this fabric, and that's it. But there are other two ways. One of them is piping, the other one is binding, that I'm going to explain this one in the next tutorial. So let's see how piping works. First, you select piping. This blue dot appears. You can also start from the middle of a segment. You can start from a point. It depends on what you're doing. So I left click on this point. For not making my software to confuse, I can make my line with multiple clicks. Also, I can do this, but right now my shape is not complicated, so that's why we don't have any problem. Also, you can continue the rest of your line on your 3D window. If you started on 2D window, then you can continue it on your 3D window, and also vice versa. For finishing piping, double click and it's there. Now property editor and customization. Choose edit piping here. As you see, if I move the pointer all around the shape, nothing changes the color, but as soon as it recognizes a piping, the color changes. So I click on it. Then here I have a small list of things I can change. The first two are not important. Then there is the line length. Since we draw the piping exactly on our shape, you don't need, it fits and you don't need to change anything. That's why it's fixed. Then there is the width. For example, right now it's less than half a centimeter, but if I set it as 1 centimeter, you can see that it's like this. Particle distance, since usually piping uses a small piece of fabric, the particle distance should be this much low or small. And yes, if for example you have so many fabrics here and you're going to set it, assign it to another fabric, for example, I want my piping to use this fabric property and color and everything. What should I do? I should click on this, then fabric. Here I choose my second option, and that's it. Yes, the lesson of today is finished. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have a nice day. Bye.